Services for construction workers. Construction workers are a team of carpenters, electricians, plumbers, iron workers, and technicians who build structures. Construction workers' jobs is physically demanding. They are required to use powerful machinery, hand power and air tools repetitively, and climb great heights. Construction worker injuries caused by occupational activities include falls, overuse, and repetitive motion injuries. All injuries have symptoms associated with the trauma. Symptoms of injuries include, but is not limited to, muscular sprains, tears and strains, soreness and pain at the back, knee, shoulder, hips, bruises or contusions, overuse injuries such as carpal tunnel and Achilles tendonitis, stiff joints, and inflammation of a chronic disease or condition. Business requirement. All businesses are required to report occupational injuries to the Department of Labor. The reported injuries are used by the Bureau of Labor Statistics to provide business owners with data that guides business operations and decisions. The BLS report on pain indicated 18.7 incidents per 10,000 full-time workers results in 8 days away from work per incident. Absence or loss of work days results in reduction of productivity and loss of revenue. We can help reduce your loss. Injury may result in work absence due to slow recovery. WP Services can help employees return to work sooner. Our services includes pain management, work readiness through physical rehabilitation, healing symptoms with the use of nutrients, as well as full body massages and more. These services are part of our functional health program designed for businesses of all sizes and industries. There are 5 things you should know about our functional health program, also called FHP. FHP is independent of and not based on any health insurance plans. FHP was designed for individuals and companies with or without health insurance benefits. FHP can reduce healthcare costs for individuals and businesses. And finally, FHP can increase return on investments in any wellness program. How much does FHP cost? Each program is customized to your business needs and budget. For more information about our FHP, call us or visit our website. Act now and call us today. We can be reached during our normal business hours at 203-636-0065. You can email us at barbara@wptcares.com or visit our website at www.wptcares.com.